come. Capture shot. Picture clear, na? We'll go ahead. Please. Congratulations. It's a great pleasure to have you all here. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಅವಸರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು 3 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಫೈನಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಿಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಇವರಿಗೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈಚ್.
ಫೋಟೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫೋಟೋನ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಂತೆ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ನೂಲು ಮಾಲಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫೋಟೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೋಟೋನ ಹಾಕಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೇ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಟೇಪ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ
ನಮಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನಮ್ಮದು ಅವಕಾಶ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇದು ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿಸಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋಟೋ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿಸಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Our street warriors, respected media friends, and our Lulu family, the dedicated team and brand partners. And most importantly, our valued customers and visitors. Your presence here today makes this event even more special. Today, we gather to celebrate not just the planet but the people who protect it every day, the street warriors of Bangalore. Bangalore is growing rapidly with increasing population and waste. As citizens, we often don't realize the effort behind waste management after we throw something in the bin. Street warriors are the silent warriors working tirelessly to segregate, recycle and manage our city's waste, often in tough conditions. In collaboration with Hasiru Dala and Green Mike, Lulu Mall Bangalore is proud to inaugurate the Wall of Fame. This wall showcases the stories of 28 street warriors. Lulu Mall has worked with Hasiru Dala before during the InstaBin campaign where we collected over 60 kgs of plastic waste a great example of community-driven sustainability. These 28 individuals deserve recognition for their dedication, resilience, and impact on our environment. They will also be felicitated and treated to a grand dinner to express our heartfelt gratitude. Thanks to Green Mike, a creative social enterprise connecting people and climate section. Deep appreciation to Harisul Dala, an organization that uplifts waste pickers and brings dignity to their work. Thank you.
ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರ ಜೀವನದ ಕಥೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಷ್ಠೆಯಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ತಮ್ಮ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. We deeply want to thank Hasiru Dala for not just partnering with us to do this, but also working tirelessly for the waste pickers, trying to give them a proper identity and facilities. Nalini ma'am and Shekhar sir have truly built a social enterprise that works for and people. I would request Ahid, who is the communication manager at Hasiru Dala, to say a few words. Welcome, Shekhar sir. Very nice to see you. I would request Shekhar sir to please come here too. He's the founder of Hasiru Dala. I would request him also to say a few words.
Firstly, thank you to Lulu Mall for giving all our waste pickers the opportunity to be here and get felicitated for their hard work. Ellargo, thank you for being here, and please do meet with them, understand what their lives are and how it hopefully has improved because they're working with us. Again, thank you for being here and felicitating all of them. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shekhar sir. I would request Shahid to speak a little bit more about Hasiru Dala's work.
Speaking about Hasiru Dala, I would like to take you back, back in time when in 2010, when people, SWMRD, municipalities, most of the people of the city, Bangalore city, started speaking about waste management, waste collection, segregation, all of those good stuff. But nobody spoke about waste pickers. I mean, you cannot speak about waste without speaking about waste pickers. Why? See, any city that doesn't perform well in solid waste management, the saviors are waste pickers. Because these waste pickers go out early morning, pick up the waste, they segregate, and then they send it to recycling. Like this, tons of waste, every day tons of waste is saved going to a landfill. These waste pickers save our environment, they keep our city clean. But still their recognition, their contribution to sustainable waste management is not being recognized. Okay. Apart from that, it's still not recognized. But they also face, when they visit those streets, when they visit the streets to collect the waste, they face harassments. People bully them. Okay, back then in 2010. At that time, Hasiru Dala just noticed, okay, this is the issue. So after that, Hasiru Dala went to Lok Adalat, we fought for them. After so many interventions for their identity rights, we got the occupational ID cards for them. Like how we have Aadhaar cards, PAN cards, our waste pickers have something called as occupational ID cards. So that's where Hasiru Dala was started. Yeah. So that's why we call Hasiru Dala is a social impact organization, and we are dedicated to securing, advancing social justice for the waste pickers through direct interventions in identity rights, pensions, education, healthcare, and employment access. From the moment that we have started, our incorporation was in 2010. From the day we have started till now, we have expanded our reach to two states of India, 18 cities, 36 taluks, and 64 villages, impacting not 1,000, not 2,000, not 3,000, not even 5,000. We have impacted on 26,000 waste speakers and their families so far. Yeah. So thank you so much. This is what about Hasiru Dala. Around 12 verticals we have. I would tell that every story, every person who's sitting here, every story will give you a goosebumps. Yeah. We have wrote some of the case studies are there on our blog, on our website, hasirudala.in. I request you to visit and do read that. I'm sure you will also get the goosebumps that I have got. Thank you so much, guys.